code is called the largest number and parity. It identifies the maximum value among three integers and reports whether that maximum is even or odd. Um, it takes three numbers here, the num1, num2, and num3, as integers. It initializes largest with num1, then uses sequential if statements to update largest if num2 or num3 is found to be greater. It uses a separate if-else structure to check the final largest values parity. If largest percentage 2 equal 0, it will be even, and otherwise odd. Let's check the output. The largest number even is 10. So it will become even. Let's try another. It shows that the 30 is the largest number and it is even. And that's all.